mga kote, it's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Kokote Knows where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na subscribe, like, and share button para maging updated ka sa aming mga video. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Kokote Knows. At ang bagong lesson natin for today is about how to encourage childhood development in early years. So yung mga una nating napag-aralan is about early childhood, yung why is child development important. So dito naman pag-aaralan natin ano yung mga stages na yun. For example, 0 to 3 months, anong ginagawa niya. So mga pang toddler. So next na natin para makita natin if ano yung content. So newborn stage, that is 0 to 3 months. So dito, provide enough stimulation for the baby. This includes talking to them, reading books with pictures, making eye contact, playing with them. So yan, yung mga kunyari, habang natutulog sila or habang nagpapahinga, binabasahan siya ng nanay or ng tatay. So yan, binibigyan na pictures like, papakita mo, this is ganyan. Kakausapin mo lang. So yan, enough stimulation sa baby para magkaroon din sila ng awareness about that thing. So, meron din silang about attention span. So, help to strengthen their muscles. So, always make sure they are awake and you are close by when you do this. Babies also need time to lie their backs on their arms and legs, free to kick and wave around. This builds up further strength. So, yan, hayaan nyo sila maganyan, yung mga medyo sipa, free kicks, so that mabibuild na yung strength na yan. So, mapapreserve nila yung strength na yon. So, respond right away when they cry. That's very important. So, kapag umiiyak, kunyari, kailangan niya ng help or kailangan niya na ng milk or may masakit ba sa kanya or may problems ba about sa place or something. So, magre-respond agad because if alam mong iiyak, alam mo may kailangan and alam mo na they need alam mo na kailangan nila ng tulong mo. So, this builds a strong bond between you and them, which aids their social emotional development and stops them from being too distressed or taking in too much air. So, for example, kapag umiyak din niya ng gatas, magpapalit ng diaper, so that's the first thing and the first milestones as a parent kung ano yung gagawin mo sa bata. For example, yung basic role, magpapadede, magbibigay ng food, as a food. So, babasahan sila ng stories, aakayin or bubuhatan when they cry. So, papaano sila mapapatahan. So, that's the first thing that you will learn sa pagkakaroon ng baby na may 0 to 3 months na span. So, next tayo. So, sa infant stage natin, so, give them opportunities for physical development. So, di ba kanina sa newborn stage, showing them toys, brightly colored black and white, red and white, or those make a noise are best. Stimulation helps babies to engage mentally and develop their senses. So, doon din sa newborn stage, you can do this by giving them a gentle baby massage or putting them into stomach for a short period of time or strengthening their back and neck. So, sa infant stage naman, so yan, give opportunities for physical development. So, ano yan? So, giving infants enough time out for the cot or bouncer allows them to move around and explore further, developing their muscles. So, developing their learning skills. You can do this by making different sounds using toys with balls like, hi baby, tapos papatunogin mo yung bell or yung mga laruan. So, ayan. With bells or different sound effects. And playing different types of music. Watch how baby reacts and reward them with a smile and a hug. So, ayan. As a parent, you will learn how to make them reward, make them smile, and hug mo sila. So, in infant stage, even helping them to all out up is extremely beneficial in increasing their balance. As an extra step, you can bounce them on your knee when you do this. So, talking to the baby is also beneficial here. So, even though they can't yet answer you, it develops their listening and teaches them turn-taking and the rhythms of language. For example, show them how to clap, turn the page books, pass objects from one another when they are watching. So you'll find out that eventually they will copy you. So meron ulit tayong trivia dito. So at this age, TV will not teach them to speak, even educational programs. Research has shown that infants do not tune into speech that comes from a machine and just hear it as it noise. It's from Call 2007. It is better na matutunan nila yung mga, for example, nursery rhymes from the parent or from the mother or to their sisters or to the elders, so that magkaroon sila ng development and mas mabilis yung pag-learn nila or yung pag-adapt nila do sa learning na yun. So, madalas yung mga televisions na yan, they are really big help para sa educational, but it's much better if talagang yung parents or mga relatives or yung mga kakilala yung magtuturo doon sa bata, so that they are aware and mabilis talagang makopy ng bata yung mga kilos na ginagawa mo. So, ayan yung trivia natin for today. So, next. So, sa toddler stage natin, 1 to 3 years, continue having predictable routines. Routines make your child feel secure. Have a set bedtime and time that you get up in the morning, as well as at meal times. Read them every night. Reading to your child and talking about the book with them as you go along is one of the best ways to teach vocabulary. So, limit TV time. So, yan ang pinakamalaga. Limit mo yung TV time mo, mas okay na may bonding sa inyo between sa mother and daughter pair, mother and child relationship. So, at this stage, children might start to watch TV. A maximum of half an hour per day is fine. But during this time, it is more helpful if you sit with your toddler and talk about what you were watching. So, for example, educational video yung pinakita sa TV. For example, ABC, di mo kumakanta ng mga bata. So, pwede mo silang kausapin na that is the letter. So, repeat the letter. So, kaya paulitin mo sa kanila so that they can learn and they can adapt. So, mabilis nila yung matatandaan if you will guide them. So, ayan. So, preschool. So, age nila is 3 to 4 years. Let them openly express their feelings. That's very important. So, while children might cry when it seems unnecessary, they need to feel safe, secure, and reassured by you. So, never shame them or tell them to be brave or not to cry. It's never tell them that. So, just provide support. So, give them a love and support and care they need to be grow and to have a character development. And wag niyong sasabihin na it's bad to cry. It is not right to cry at the situation. So, give them support. So, you can teach them how to be resilient for every situation or every problems they will encounter. Show them support and love they need. So, give them simple chores to do. For example, these boost children's self-confidence even if the task is relatively small, such as pairing socks, when asking them to do chores or tidying. So, make sure you give them simple instructions such as put your shoes in the basket. So, how you will tie your shoes, how will you put this, how will you put that. So, help them understand the wider world. Taking them out for walks to the library or at the fire station or police station teaches them more about life going around them. This enhances their cognitive development. So, that's a very important thing to do as a parent. So, ayan. School stage naman tayo. So, that's the last topic. So, provide learning materials but don't pressurize. So, magbigay ka ng learning materials but don't give them pressure. So, give them books to look at, paper, mix marks with lots of interesting materials, and point out words on labels, TV, or books. So, for example, you will read what's the pronunciation of this, how will you teach them to read, how to learn this type of topic. So, ayan, be active together. So, they can move around more, do physical exercise together to go. So, swimming, play football, dance, or go to the park. So, that's very important bonding then. So, enhance their understanding of language. So, you could play rhyming games, asking them which words rhyme with cat, and then come up with words that begin with the same letter to boost their awareness or letters. So, play I Spy and other games that will increase their vocabulary, or when you're with sharing a story together. Ask them when they think something has happened or what might happen next. So, ayan ang ating lesson for today. So, ang next natin is ayan na lesson. So, thank you, have a great day, and God bless, and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!